I will call Lisa to the front and lead the prayer. Amen. Okay, good morning everyone, class. Please sit down. Okay, I will check your assignment first. If you are not in your seat plan, I will mark you an absent, okay? Okay, very good. Everyone is present today. Before we will start, I will remind the rules during class hours. Number 1, listen actively and attentively. Number 2, ask clarification if you're confused. Number 3, when answering, wait your name to be called. And last one is do not interrupt each other. Okay, class. Mag-check ako ng assignments ngayon regards this topic. Kung naka-research ba kayo? If they meron ba kayong printed na pinadala ko sa inyo? Okay, very good. So kung if wala kayong na-printed, mag-share na lang kayo. Okay. Okay. Before we start, let us review first the last topic yesterday. Okay, please stand up, Farah. What is the six trigonometric ratios? Okay, very good. The six trigonometric ratios is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, cosecant, and secant. Okay, I round of applause kay Farah. Okay, Farah, please sit down. Very good. So, please stand up, Raul. Okay, Raul. How do you find the value of cosine? How do you find the value of cosine? Okay, very good. The value of the cosine if they have the opposite and the hypotenuse. Very good. Okay, please sit down. A round of applause kay Raul. Okay, very good. Before we start, guys, parang hindi tayo masigla dyan. So, meron tayong gagawin is let us dance the mathematic dance. Okay, sino yung nakaalam ng mathematic dance? Okay. Okay, Kay, ikaw ngayon yung leader kasi ikaw lang yung may nakakaalam ng mathematic dance. So, most probably kayong lahat actually marunong kayo mag-mathematic dance kasi yan yung nag-viral sa Facebook. Okay, move on. Let's dance the mathematic dance. So, okay, yung ako nga nakapili na ng leader is bawat leader, siya yung leader is every day is mag-iiba yung leader. Pero ako yung magpo-provide ng music. Okay. So, okay, please stand in the front and okay class, everybody will participate para magiging masigla tayo ngayon. So, let's proceed to the mathematic dance. Dapat lahat kayo magsayaw, okay? So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, very good. A round of applause, guys. Thank you for your participation. Okay, please sit down. Okay. Very well done. Lahat naman kayo is nakakasayaw. Okay. Plus points kayo. Okay. Ngayon is ipapakita ko. I will show you the objectives for today. So please wait. Okay, class. Please read, follow, and read ng sabay-sabay ang ating objective. So, number 1, illustrates the quadratic equation. So, the following, identify and describe the quadratic equations. Second is write the quadratic equations to a standard form. And last one is determine the values of A, B, and C. So, yan yung objectives natin for today. Take note. Okay? Okay. Sino yung tapos na nakasulat? So, ngayon, I will give you, they have an activity for today. So, class, everybody will participate this activity because dito natin matatakel yung topic discussion natin for today. So, I will provide into two groups. Kayo na bala kung saan ba kayo na grupo. Okay, nakahanap na ba ng grupo? Into two groups. So, bawat grupo is bawat grupo is magpa-perform na message relay. So, I will give you na the word na isusulat nyo sa board. So, magpili kayo, choose the leader in the front, yung sino yung magsusulat dito sa board. So, kung sino yung maunang magsusulat sa ibinigay ko na message, siya yung panalo. Okay. Okay, please stand up all and line by the group line. Okay. Okay. Each leader punta sa akin kasi ibibigay ko yung message na. Okay. Okay guys, listen. So, ikaw, Eliza, and Farah, kayo yung leader. So, kayo yung magbibigay ng message doon papunta sa board kung sino yung unang magsulat, siya yung panalo. Okay. The word I will give you is the quadratic equations and determine the ABC. So, okay. The quadratic equations determine the ABC. Okay. Naibigay ko na sa kanila ang word. So, Eliza and Farah, be ready. The message relay will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, very good. Ang nauna na grupo is kay Farah. Okay, all of you is around the applause, the group 1. Okay, very good. So, the writing in the board is the quadratic equations and determine the A, B, and C. Okay, very good. And also, palakpakan natin yung group ni Eliza. So, okay guys, thank you for participation. Please sit down. Okay. Listen, I will give you I have some following questions, all of you. So, kung sino yung makakasagot, mag-raise lang ng hand. Based on the activity, what do you think our topic? What are you think our topic for today? Okay, please stand up, Jay. Okay, our topic for today is about the quadratic equations. So, who's an idea about the quadratic equation? Who's an idea about the quadratic equations? So, almost all of you kasi meron kayong printed na research about the quadratic equations. Okay, matatakil natin yan. Please wait. So, the third one is, do you think the quadratic equations are only add and subtract? No? Yes, very good. Bakit? Kasi, not additions and subtractions can relate in the quadratic equations. Lahat ng table is magagamit sa quadratic equations. Okay, very good. So, guys, please listen for I will discuss about the quadratic equations. At the back, makikita ba yun dyan yung visual aid natin? Okay. Now, listen guys. Our topic is quadratic equations. So, please read. Quadratic equations in one variable are a mathematical sentence, degree 2, that can be written in the standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ito yung, dito tayo magpo-focus kasi ito yung form ng quadratic equations, is the standard form of the quadratic equations, ax squared. Pag makikita kayong ganitong formula, form, tinatawag yan na quadratic equations or the standard form. Hindi natin matatawag na standard form ang quadratic equations kung hindi ito ganito. Okay, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is equals not to 0. Always take note, a is not equal to 0 because a is naka-maintain talaga yung meron siyang exponent. So, okay lang mga b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0. Okay lang yan. And in the equations, ax squared is the quadratic form. Okay, quadratic form daw, always the ax squared. Bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term. So, okay guys, I will give you an example for today. Our example for today is 2x squared plus 6x is minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay guys, okay class, sorry. Matatawag ba natin tong standard form in the quadratic equations? Yes, very good. Because saan yung form natin is magka-the-same sila. Okay, so for now, we will determine the A, B, and C. So our A is equals to 2, our B is equals to 6, and our C is equals to negative 3. Yan yung basic example ng quadratic equations into the standard form. Okay, example number 2. 3x, close parenthesis, x minus 4 is equal to 10. So, matatawag ba natin tong quadratic equations or standard form? Hindi. Kasi, anong gagawin natin? Gagawin natin is into the standard form and para ma-determine natin yung value ng A, B, and C. So, first, gagamitin na i-expand natin. Anong ibig sabihin expand? Hahanapin na natin ng solution para magiging standard form. Okay, very good. Ito ginawa nating foil method. So, and sa labas is ginawa natin na inverse property. So, 3x times x is equals to 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is equals to negative 12x. Then, 10. Okay, bring down. Then, 10 minus 10. Then, gamitin natin ng inverse property. So, negative 10. Then, lagyan din natin ng negative 10 para magiging 0 sa labas. So, lagyan natin ng negative 10. Then, anong form niya na? Is a standard form. So, if makuha natin yung standard form, therefore, determine natin yung A, B, C, value ng A, B, and C. So, therefore, A is equal to 3, B is equal to negative 12, and C is equal to negative 10. So, very good. Are you with me? Okay. Thank you, class. Please read the note. When B is equal to 0 in the equation, it resulted to a quadratic equation of the form of ax squared plus c is equal to 0. Ang sabi dito, if b daw is equal to 0, ito yung magiging formula niya. Ito yung standard form niya. And also, when c is equal to 0 in the equation, it resulted to a quadratic equation of the form of ax squared plus bx is equals to 0. If c is equal to 0 naman, ito yung magiging standard form niya. Okay. Thank you, class. So, for now, nakaintindi naman yung lahat. Sino nakaintindi dito? Hindi yung nakaintindi. Raise your hand. Okay. Nakafollow naman yung lahat. So, if nakafollow na, I will give you an activity by pair. So, kayo na bahala hanap ng pair nyo. Okay. I will give you an activity by pair. And answer the activity in 10 minutes only because they have no time na. Okay, class. Kikita ba yun dyan yung visual aid? Okay, class. Please, in 1/2 crosswise, write into the standard form and determine the values of A, B, C. And answer it 10 minutes only. Starts now. Okay? Please, finish or not finish, pass your papers to the center and to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, thank you. Okay, class. Almost done na yung naka-answer na activity. So, for now, I will give you some reflexive questions. All of you. Kung sino yung makakasagot, please raise your hand, okay? Do you have questions in regards the topic, the discussions for today? Do you have any questions, clarifications? Okay, wala naman kasi nakaintindi naman kayo sa explanations ko kanina. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you. Are the quadratic equations is important? Okay, please stand up. Okay. Okay. The quadratic equations are really important because magagamit natin into the future. Hindi lang ngayon, is into the future magagamit natin. Okay, very good. So, the third one is, what will happen if we don't know how to get the standard form in the quadratic equations? What will happen if we don't know how to get the standard form into the quadratic equations? Okay, very good. Most probably the answer is, hindi natin makukuha yung exact value ng quadratic equations. At hindi natin ma-determine yung value ng A, B, and C. Okay, very good. Round of applause. Okay, class? I will give you for now, wala na bang clarifications or any other questions? For now, I will give you a quiz. And, okay, sorry. I will give you a quiz. Okay, your quiz is individual. So, answer the quiz into 15 minutes only. Because they have 20 minutes na lang bago yung time. Okay? Answer the quiz in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, class, time is up. Please pass your paper to the center and to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. I-check ko lang yan mamaya just sa office. Okay, class. Before we will end, I will give you an assignment. So please take note. Your assignment is in a 1 whole sheet of paper. Write your own quadratic equations and also, kukunin nyo yung standard form niya and pagkatapos makuha yung standard form, ibibigay nyo yung value ng A, B, and C. I will give siguro mga 10 lang. 10 examples of your own quadratic equations. Okay, very good. So, tapos na take note, tapos na lahat. Okay, class, do you have any other questions, clarifications? to discuss our topic for today. So wala naman. Okay, class, before we will end, thank you so much. And thank you so much for listening. I hope na meron kayong naintindihan ngayon sa topic natin, topic and discussion natin for today. So, once again, good morning and class dismiss.